it sheared it off in the, oh my God, in the socket. Look at that. Final infinity soon. Let's do this. 2 new track bar bolts, washers, and nuts. And we'll do frame set first, and then line that up, tighten it down. Tighten down. So that's the joint. And then Synergy has an adjuster sleeve, which is right here, so you can adjust it while it's on the Jeep. But you gotta make sure that this is really tightened down because that's what's holding it all together. That's completely all Synergy now. Look at that. Synergy track bar, Synergy drag link, Synergy tie rod, and then Synergy ball joints too. Let's I gotta clean up all this shit, and then let's go see what it drives like. See if we gotta adjust it a little bit. The axle is probably not centered. That's probably what I'll have to do next. First drive, you can already tell, like you can feel it's way stiffer. Like it just feels like it wants to go straight. There's no wiggle left or right. Just driving around some bumpy side roads here behind my apartment. And this is a lot better. I haven't adjusted it yet, so I'll have to completely adjust the adjuster sleeve to make sure it's fully centered, but from what I can tell right now, this feels way better. When I drive on the highway before with a stock track bar, there's like you can like feel where they laid asphalt, and then like where the layer went the second time, there's like little ruts in between the lanes, and you can feel the Jeep like pull when it hits one of those. And now when I drive over these bumps, you can feel it, like it doesn't want to go left or right. It just goes straight. Well, as much as a Jeep will go straight. So that is the Synergy track bar. So now I'm completely Synergy up front, other than TerraFlex lower control arms. So we're doing good.